Chicken schnitzel with creamy mushroom sauce and sautéed vegetables in olive oil and garlic is something that you can prepare if you're craving for comfort food. Start boiling the marble potatoes. Okay, the potatoes are already cooked. I'm going to remove it from the water and set it aside. I'm going to place cling wrap on a chopping board. I'm gonna put my chicken breast fillet and then another cling wrap on top. I'm going to pound the chicken using a rolling pin, or you can use a mallet, and you flatten the chicken to 1/4 inch thickness. Okay, just make sure they're even. Going to remove this. Now we're going to start cooking the chicken schnitzel. Now I'm going to season first the breadcrumbs with salt. And some pepper, just to make sure the breading is flavorful as well. And we'll just mix it. Okay. For the chicken, season it first with salt and pepper. Okay, make sure you always season both sides. I'm going to dip the chicken into the flour. Dip it lightly, then try to tap the excess. And then dip it into the eggs. And then coat it with breadcrumbs. We're going to use a big frying pan, and I'm going to turn on the heat to medium. Add the oil. Let's check the oil if it's ready. Add some flour. If it starts to bubble, then it's ready. Going to add our chicken. Once it's golden brown, turn the other side. Our chicken schnitzel is already cooked. I'm going to turn off the heat. Transfer it to a plate with kitchen towel to remove the excess oil. Set it aside. Now it's time to cook our creamy mushroom sauce. I'm going to turn on the heat to medium. Add the oil, butter, once the butter is melted, add the garlic, and saute it for about a minute. Add the mushrooms. And continue cooking the mushrooms until they are soft. It will take about 5 minutes. Add the heavy cream. Mix it. And let it simmer for 5 minutes or until the sauce is thickened. Add the Parmesan cheese. Mix it until the Parmesan cheese is melted. Let it simmer for another 30 seconds. Season the mushroom sauce with a little bit of salt, just a little because we already added Parmesan cheese. Freshly ground black pepper. Chopped parsley to add color and flavor. I'm going to taste it. I can add a little bit of more Parmesan cheese. Okay, our sauce is already thickened and creamy. Turn off the heat and set it aside. For the last step, we're going to saute our vegetables. We're going to use a sauteing pan. Turn on the heat to medium. Add the oil. Add the garlic. And just saute it for a few seconds. Add the broccoli. Okay, so I'm just going to add a bit of water so that it will cook faster. Okay, I can see that the broccoli is almost cooked. I'm going to add our marbled potatoes that we cooked a while ago. I'm going to add some butter. Season it with salt. Pepper. Then continue mixing it. Okay, our vegetables are ready. I'm going to turn up the heat and set it aside. And we're gonna start plating. Let's start with our chicken, vegetables, and then put the sauce on top. Just on one side so that you can still see the beautiful golden brown color of the chicken schnitzel. Just gonna add some chopped parsley on top of the sauce.